How to earn coins with Aliexpress. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Aliexpress on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Account at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, you will find Coins. Click on Coins. Then, to earn coins, what you can do is click on Collect at the top. Simply by opening the app and going to this page, you will be able to collect coins daily, as you'll find different coins option. What you can do is, at the bottom of coins, you'll find earn more coins. In that, you'll find different options to earn coins as daily check-ins, explore sponsored items, browse surprise items, and others. And another thing you can do to earn coins is by simply playing games, which is below earn more coins. You can merge, boss, play and earn, or surprise lands. You'll find different options. And another thing you will get coin is also by purchasing a product. And this is how to earn coins in AliExpress. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.